Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, computer won't wake up from sleep fix in Windows 11, 10. First method is type edit power plan in Windows search bar, click edit power plan. Click and expand USB settings, click and expand USB selective suspend settings, select disabled. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type power CFG space, -H space, off. Third method is type edit power plan in Windows search bar, click edit power plan. Click and expand PCI Express, click and expand link state power management, change to off, click apply, click OK. Fourth method, type power and sleep settings. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand SIDEM devices, right-click Intel Management Engine interface. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.